Hello and welcome back, guys. So, we will be doing this particular problem where we need to check if a string can be typed using a broken keyboard. Okay, so what's the problem is that we will be given two different type of strings, right? The first string is the working keys. Second string is the word that uh, would be typed. Okay, so we need to check each character in the word is present in working keys. Okay, so we are given ABC and BAD. So since D is not there, so hence it will be false. Right. Another example is ABCDEFG. All of them are there, I guess. Yes. Then we will return true. Okay, great. Easy. Right. So we will need to loop over every one of them, right? So what we can do is for I in word. So if not I in keys, we return what? Return false. Can we make this into a one-liner though? Then otherwise we simply return true. Right, we need to check if it exists in that particular string or not for every each character of it. Right. Okay, this is one way to do it, I guess. There could be another sneaky way to do it where a one-liner should be able to solve this problem. But let's just submit our code. Let's submit our code. Let's see other people's solution. Set. Okay. Mm, Similar to what I have done, this guy has done something similar. Other people are using set and doing some superset kind of operation. This guy was doing continue, but that's not required, right? We can just add not in keys and then return false because you don't need to look over the whole word string, right? This is a little bit not so cost efficient method because you will have to loop over every character of the string. Because if we get the first instance of character or a word that's not in the keys, that means we can just remove it. Like we can just return false immediately, right? Okay, so other people have done something similar. So yeah, that's how we can basically solve this problem. Thank you. Take care.